Okay, just now we have mentioned that have many projects have been done in our factories. So next, I will also like to introduce you some of it. And the first of all that we have finished recently that I would also like to show some pictures later. And for example, we finished the PNG project with 3 stadiums in this year, and it is a government project that have 3 parts totally. And we hand over the first project with 253.5 tons to delivery to on-site already. And for the first part, we finished with only 2 months from the beginning of the contracts signing and the design, the detailing, and also shop drawing, fabrication, and loading for delivery to customers. We use 2 months to have them to deliver those projects. So next one, we are continually to ongoing for the second one and the third one contract ongoing for the PNG government and have them to make the stadium very safety and satisfied project. And we hope that all the procedures could be satisfied by the customers, and also we'll make sure all the procedures of the fabrication very smoothly. And also another very impressive project we done recently is this year earlier, and we've finished before the Spring Festival, is our Fiji multi-story building steel structure project. And for that project, we totally hand over the weight of the tonnage is 300 tons together. And the size is 30 meters and 80 meters, and also 40.5 meters high together. And we already hand over the steel structure parts to the site work, and the on-site work has already been going smoothly for the erection now. And okay, now besides the construction parts, we have mentioned that have many bridges products, like here you can see, because now the bridges and construction parts fabrication projects are on the schedule, so we try the best and to help our customers to finish it as soon as possible, and to fabrication and control all the quality to meet the standard of the requirements. As you can see on this platform, we move some of steel structure parts of the box on here. So this one you can see more clearly and closely how our box of the band of the types looks like. And you can see for, as you may know, that for the bridges part manufacture is more complicated than the simple H-beam fabrication. So this means a very high capacity of fabrication skills. You can see the plate, the size, and the angle, much to guarantee the accuracy of the detail on the drawings and also all the fabrications, so that we can combine all the box very accurately, and to combine all the parts to satisfy the using and the safety of the bridges. And because so that we can to say that we regard the quality and the service as the most priority step in our company. And okay, now because now the light is perfect, so I would like to introduce you some to show you some project case show with some pictures. Yeah, just now we will see this Japan project, and this is our Mauritius plant on site. You can see the anchor bolts in the structure and the frame. Yeah, this is the PNG Stadium in progressing project we mentioned just now, and this is the drawings. This is the first one, the second one ongoing. And this is how we packing and delivery with the container to shipping by sea. And this is multi-story building in Fiji. You can see the on-site work, the drawings. In the last year, we finished 355 tons for Qatar workshop. This is also a combination tab with office and workshops, and also exhibition hall for their company using. You can see the fabricated steel structure are very good. And besides that, we have many bridges projects in our factory, and you can see this one for the valley bridges. This is the galvanized tab for Colombia, Bolivia, and St. Lucia, and totally tonnage is 1,000 tonnage for weight together. And this one meets the ASTM standard. We cooperate with local government and to support the cities. And this one is the Valley Bridge in Canada. You can see the coating tab, very good quality. So how we deliver the package in the container. Also this Valley Bridge, very long skill. We finished the last year. Very long length. We finished the last year. And besides that, we have also done many domestic projects also. Here is the Bensi steel mill plant. You can see the crane beam, the size. Only with our the welding machine in our factory could handling those scale of the steel structure fabrication. You can see the time. Last year we finished that. This is the crane beam laying on our yard, and how it looks on site. Very impressive, right? And also logistic park with very beautiful panels and system. You can see the details. And this is drawing for another project. And this is our G-Phone workshops. You can see the steel structure and the specialty decking and the staircase. Yeah, is that very impressive and very perfect steel structure, right? Over 200 employees are working in our factories now. And in the middle of this yard, you can see a playground for the basketball. So when the break time, also the lunch time, our workers and also our the employees will have their relaxed time here to play some basketball game and also the ping pong game. Is that very amazing, right? Yes, we have many very relaxed time in our companies, and we enjoy the time working here. So, okay, behind me, Just now, I'm not sure if you saw this big crane moving. Yeah, this is the one that I mentioned in our factory. It is for the lifting capacity of 100 tons totally for the lifting crane. And you can see with this crane helps, we can move and turn over all the steel structure parts. And when the delivering of the products, we use this crane to move the raw material and also the finished parts to the trucks, so that we can have them more convenient and directly to move outside our factory for the delivery on site. Wow, you see, to the customers. And the packing of the steel structure have been done. Okay, guys, today we have a brief view and the introduction of the whole factories. And I hope that my introduction could help you guys to have some brief knowledge about our factory and know about our products and also the workers and the employees, also me in the factories together.